Hey guys! The Average Filos are back, and this time we try our hand at some Italian cuisine and attempt to make our version of the awesome Zucchini Mushroom Risotto. To be honest, we weren't sure we could pull this off, but somehow I think we managed. Keep watching and tell us what you think in the comments. We normally buy our groceries at Kohl's supermarket. They sell pretty much everything you need, and more importantly, they have a shop located just 2 short minutes away from where we live. Okay, we start the prepping. I like peeling, chopping, and slicing the ingredients we need beforehand. In this case, it's the garlic, onion, mushrooms, zucchini, and parsley. Now it's time to boil the stock. We wanted to add some flavor, so we sauteed some garlic, thyme, and a half bulb of onion in olive oil on high heat. Now pour about 1 liter of vegetable stock into the pan and bring to a boil. Add some of the parsley into the mix. When the stock boils, remove the pan from the heat. Separate the stock using a strainer, then set aside. Time to cook our vegetables. We start by heating some olive oil in a wide pan. Sauté the zucchini until lightly browned. Then sauté the mushrooms until cooked. Then set them aside. The onion and garlic were next in line as we were finally ready to cook the rice. One cup of arborio rice was all we needed for this one, and it was more than enough. We started by adding this straight to the pan and allowing it to slightly toast. You can never go wrong with white wine, or so we thought. This is an optional ingredient, but this half-cup Chardonnay we used really helped add some flavor and acidity to our risotto. Then we started adding the stock. Add about 1 cup of vegetable stock and stir to combine. Stir continuously until the stock is absorbed. Once the first cup is absorbed, continue to add the stock half cup at a time while continuing to stir. Repeat this process for 15 to 20 minutes until the rice fully absorbs the broth. The rice looked beautiful by then, so we went ahead and returned to the cooked zucchini and mushrooms in the pan. Finally, we top this up with our remaining parsley and some Parmesan cheese. Oh, one more thing. We added a good amount of butter in the end. This gave the dish a creamy texture and yep, great flavor too. I think we pulled it off just fine. Guys, what do you think about this version of our zucchini mushroom risotto? We would love to hear from you. Head straight down to the comments section and we'll see you there. Oh, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for your support!